So ayan, I'm back for part 2. So for this segment or for this portion, I would primarily focus on the benefits of HMO or ano ba yung mga detalye or dapat mong alaman regarding HMO. So as mentioned on my previous video, HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization, wherein if you're familiar with companies or brands like MaxiCare, Pacific Cross, Medicard, Medicare, Intellicare, so sila yung mga HMO providers that we have here in the Philippines. So si HMO, it comes in the form of card or membership card wherein kapag ka kailangan magagamit mo lang yung benefits nun kapag ka nagpa-consulta ka or nag-seek ka ng treatment sa mga accredited medical centers or hospitals na connected or within the network of that HMO provider. So si HMO provider covers usually yung mga annual physical exams, check-ups, consultation, laboratory tests, and to the extent na kung sakaling may gawing procedure or treatment na whether inpatient or yung confined or outpatient na done lang sa clinic. So, yun yung gamit or benefits na when you are an HMO policy holder. And at the same time, may mga HMO or health cards tayo na may kasamang benefits for dental na kung saan meron siya kasamang libreng cleaning or oral prophylaxis for a certain year, and tooth extraction, and yung pagpapapasta or ano bang tawag doon? Basta yung may mga certain limits lang sila depende sa provider na kinuha mo. And lastly, may mga options din sila na kung saan you can also use that for optical benefits. So kung gusto mo magpa-check up sa mata or gusto mong magpagawa ng mga panibagong salamin, so you can use that. Pero usually, optical benefits is just an optional. So when you add these optional benefits like dental or optical, usually it comes with a premium or may madadagdag na charge or rate dun sa standard or base price ng mga na binibigay ng mga HMO. So kung gusto nyo matuto or malaman pa yung iba pang benefits, paano ba kayo pwedeng mag-avail, and at the same time, ano ba yung mga inclusions specifically kapag ka HMO holder ka, so you can send me a message here or you can comment your questions or inquiries para na sa ganun, masagot ko kayo isa-isa. And you may also like and follow my page so that you can be updated whenever I post or create videos like this.